Cyberbrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
My document got uploaded, main agreement template by a 7-drop. When I click on this one, view details, you can see you will only have overview and version history. You will not have any other option. That means if I want to see what is this document is containing, I need to click on this Word file. Then it will download a version and I can able to see whatever the version. Once you make the changes, either you do it drag and drop, or you click on upload file and select the file and do that. Then this file will get replaced. This is how you will manage your document, and you will be having full details about versions. So, since it is first time I created version 1, to this extent, Ariba provides the functionality. Now I want to view the document in Ariba itself. For that reason, you need to click on main agreement. Then choose the file. Main agreement template, click on open. Now click on create. There is a name already exists. I will change that to yes. You can create. I will choose the same file. I will rename the file name. Rename. I'll add one question to whatever they want to. Click on yes, click on open. I'm uploading a file. You can create. Now you see, there is one more tab, which is called Outline View. When you click on Outline View, the system will give you visibility on here itself. You don't need to go and click on this file, but you can directly manage your agreement here. Now I can able to manage these classes. So how these classes come is between one paragraph and another paragraph. So once I click on this document, this is basically contact othering in. Some clients might have this requirement. So it should be knowing how you can manage class libraries or classes. Enable editing. Click on New for document. This is your agreement. This looks like an unformatted look. So I want to make some changes to this look. I want to differentiate how that. So, if you know, in Word document there is a marker symbol here. Once you click on short height marker symbol, then you are going to see these markers where the paragraph marks. Now between one paragraph. Now you see, this will be treated as one class. This will be treated as one class. This will be treated as one class. Suppose I want to make this class into two. When I click here and put an enter. Then when I open this document in Ariba, it will show me, this is class 2. This is one more class. I'll just show you. Just for reference purpose, I'm adding here a text called 2a. So how it differentiate between a space paragraph marks? It will create this as a classes. Now I also want to show you how do we create a section. Under 2a, I want to give a section name. I'm removing this marker symbol. Give me a second please. Thank you. Okay. Now we know what is classes. Every paragraph mark will be treated as a class. Now this will be added as a class. Now I want to add a section. I'm typing something. So I'm just mentioning this is a subsection. Section. I'm just adding two things. Section and section 2. When I open this file in Ariba, I will show you the difference. I want to make this as a section, real section. But this is also a section, but I'm not making any format. How do I do the format? Click on section. Alt-O-P. This is nothing but paragraph and spaces. Here, outline level. So I'm increasing this level to level 1. If it is in outline level 1, automatically this will become a section. If I do not make any changes like Alt-O-P. Here it is a body text, so here it will not have anything. Even the same thing if you are using the headers on this file also. Maybe the contract format I'm changing to this type. So this will be also having one line up. You can go ahead see if there is an outline level 1. So when I open this document in Ariba, this will have as a section title. This will also have a section title. But this will be having as a class. I'm saving this file. Main agreement template test 1. I'll go to Ariba. I'll click on either drag and drop or overview. Upload. Tools file. Downloads. Click on Open. Click on Upload. Now you can see here it is asking me what I want to do. Do you want to review before you upload? You can do that. Use original document name and continue uploading the file. Replace the document or select another file for upload. So I'm going to use the original document and continue uploading the file. Click on OK. Now you can see the difference. Contract main agreement became a section. Section becomes a section. But section 2 did not become a section because, though the name is section 2, this is stated as a class because of a paragraph and there is no outline level has been marked.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.